Here I have OPPO A54 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to get the iOS volume panel on this device. As you can see, now I have the standard one volume panel, like the default one, but you can actually download the one app from the Play Store, which is called Volume Styles. Customize your volume panel and slider. Then you have to open it, tap Start, grant all the permissions it requires, like these accessibility services, and here, as you can see, you have the iOS volume styles slider. And as you can see, now I have the volume slider like on iOS devices. Unbelievable. There's actually is another volume slider there, not this iOS, but the older one, the one iOS 12, which looks like this. And now it's really like on the iPhone. Wow. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.